Hello, guys. Hello, and welcome to the lesson 5 daily stand ups and team updates. And how are you guys? Write in the comments, how are you? What exactly are you going to learn today? You're going to learn how to participate confidently in daily stand up meetings, 12 key vocabulary words with phonetics, some grammar, present simple and present perfect for recent actions, and present continuous for ongoing work, and how to give clear professional team updates every day. And as always, you can find this worksheet and much more useful content in our Telegram channel and other social media. You can scan the QR code or you can type in the certain instance. Okay, guys? And here's a little video content, some core vocabulary. Update. Information about the current status of something. Can you give us a quick update on the project? Blocker. A problem that stops you from moving forward. I have a blocker. I'm waiting for access onto the staging server. Progress. Movement forward movement forwards toward the goal. We're making good progress on the new feature. On track. Going as planned, not delayed. The sprint is on track, will meet the deadline. Behind. Delayed, not at the expected stage. We're a bit behind on the testing phase. In progress. Currently being worked on, not yet finished. The API integration is still in progress. Pending. Pending, waiting to happen or be done. Approval from the client is still pending. Complete, finished or fully done. The design review is complete. Handover, the transfer of work or responsibility to someone else. I did the handover to the QA team for yesterday. Follow up, to check on something or take the next step after an action. I'll follow up with the clients about the requirements. Raise, to mention or bring up a problem or topic. I'm deeply sorry, guys. To mention or bring up a problem or topic, I need to raise a blocker. The API is down. Capacity. The amount of work a person or team can handle. I am at full capacity this week. I can't take more tasks. And let's go on for a little pro tip. In stand up, 3 questions are can what did I do yesterday? What am I doing today? Do I have any blockers? And of course, you need to keep your answers short. A stand up is 15 minutes for the whole team, not just you, not just for one person. So you can use I have finished, I'm working on, and I have a blocker with, and you will sound like a pro. Let's go for some grammar. Present perfect for recent actions and present continuous for ongoing work. So, present perfect. Actions completed recently. They are relevant to now. I have finished the design review. I've sent the email to the client. We have resolved the blocker from yesterday. The team has completed the first module. Present continuous. Actions happening now in this period. I'm working on the user story for the login screen. We are testing the new API integration. I'm waiting for feedback from the stakeholder. The team is preparing the sprint demo. Yep, so please pay attention. Present perfect, we use it to the actions that were completed recently in the past, but they are relevant to now. And present continuous, we use it to describe actions that are happening right now or in this period, like for example, this month, this week, this year. Okay? And 3 stand-up questions. Yesterday, what did I do yesterday? I've completed, I've finished, I've sent, I've reviewed. What am I doing today? I'm working on, I'm continuing with, today I'm planning to, I'm going to focus on. And do I have any blockers? I have a blocker with, I'm blocked by, I need help with, no blockers, all good. Let's read a model stand-up and analyze it. So, good morning everyone. Yesterday I finished the requirements document and sent it to the client for review. I also had a call with the UX designer. We resolved the issue with the mobile layout. Today I'm working on the sprint planning prep and I'm going to follow up with the client about the pending approval. I also need to raise a blocker. I'm waiting for access to the staging environment. Could someone help me escalate that? Thanks. Let's notice we use past simple for actions that are completed yesterday and like things like finished, sent, had, resolved. We use present continuous for what is happening today. I'm working on, I'm going to, I'm waiting for. There is also a little blocker that was clearly raised with I need to raise and some explanation. Yep. And the last one, it is all professional, but at the same time, it's natural and concise. Yep. Let's watch out for some common mistakes. Yesterday I have finished the task. Yesterday I finished the task. Yesterday is a specific past time, so we would use past simple, not present perfect. I am work on the report. I am working on the report. We use present continuous with am is are and ing. Yep. I have a block. I have a blocker. I am blocked. Yep. Not block, but I have a blocker or blocked. The task is in progress. The task is in progress. We always say in progress, not on progress, not at progress. I will follow up him. I will follow up with him. It's always follow up with someone. Let's go on for a little quick check. Take your time, pause the video, and let's complete this task. I'm giving you 20 seconds to do that. Take your time. Well, let's discuss. So, yesterday I finished, because yesterday is a specific time, so we would use past simple. Right now I am working on the sprint because it's right now. The client approval is still pending. We haven't heard back. Yep. I need to raise a blocker. I don't have access to the production database. We have resolved the bug from yesterday's build. It's all good now. Wonderful, wonderful. Let's go for a little speaking challenge. Can you please create your own stand-up update using this template? And the question for the comments. Write it down into the comments. Write your stand-up update for today. What did you do yesterday? What are you working on today? And do you have any blockers? And aim to use at least 4 words from today's lesson. And as always, when it comes to the part 3 workbook, take your time, go into Telegram and find it in there. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining this video, and I suppose I hope to see you all next time. Stay safe. Bye bye.